Your struggle will embarrass you before it inspires them. If you run with holes in your shoes, life gives you new ones one day. Stay consistent. Pain is temporary. Pride is forever. Once upon a time, in a dusty village where dreams were small and hopes were shy, lived a girl named Aisha. She had nothing but a heart full of fire and shoes so torn that stones kissed her skin with every step. Every morning, before the sun opened its sleepy eyes, she ran across cracked roads and muddy fields, lungs burning, feet bleeding, yet spirit unshaken. Villagers woke to the sound of her footsteps and laughed from their porches. Who does she think she is? Running won't feed you. Children mimicked her run. Adults scoffed, and even her relatives told her to stop wasting time. But Aisha ran anyway. She didn't run for applause or medals. She ran to breathe, to feel alive, to escape the cage of poverty and doubt that tried to swallow her whole. Each mile she ran was a promise to the little girl inside her, who deserved a chance. Her torn shoes flapped like broken wings, but she whispered, "Even broken wings can fly if the heart refuses to stay on the ground." Her mother watched silently, worry tucked behind tired eyes. Some nights, Aisha would soak her blistered feet in warm water and bite her lips to stop tears from falling. Pain crawled through her bones. Hunger often sat quietly beside her, but quitting never did. She trained with sticks instead of weights, raced against wind instead of opponents, timed her breaths with the heartbeat of the land. One day, a coach passing through the village noticed her, drenched in sweat, shoes almost falling apart, yet running with the fury of someone who knew pain but refused defeat. "Why push yourself so hard?" he asked. Aisha looked at him, breath shaking, eyes glowing like embers refusing to die. "Because I promised myself I would not live and die in the same place without trying." The coach handed her a real pair of running shoes, used, a little worn, but whole. Her fingers trembled. For the first time, she felt seen. She trained harder, ran longer, cried less, and believed more. When others slept, she sprinted. When others doubted, she prayed. Her world was small, but her dream was louder than every voice that tried to shrink it. If you're enjoying this story, please like this motivational video and subscribe to Voice of Victory for more inspiring content. Years passed, filled not with ease, but with sweat, discipline, and unstoppable consistency. Trials came, failures came. But Aisha never quit, because pain was temporary, but her purpose was eternal. Finally, the day came, the Olympics. The stadium roared, lights blazing like burning suns. Cameras pointed at her, the girl who once ran barefoot in silence. When the race began, she ran not only with legs, but with memories. Every laugh she ignored, every stone that bruised her feet, every tear she swallowed, every dawn she greeted alone. And when she crossed the finish line first, the world exploded in applause. But she didn't look at the gold medal first. She looked at the shoes she had brought in her bag, the torn ones, the ones with holes. The world stared as she lifted them high, tears falling like rain after a long drought. "These shoes," she whispered, voice trembling, "carried me before the world knew my name." Her village cried. Her mother's hands shook with pride, and the same people who once mocked her now cheered like she carried their dreams too. She didn't just win a race, she won her life. Moral of the story: success belongs to those who keep moving, even when the world laughs. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Begin where you are. Consistency beats talent when talent gets comfortable. Your struggles are not your weakness, they are your training.